our history definitely has to inform our future. It can't be realistic that we should remain fixated on the past and not look at the positive signs and things that we are doing to improve and correct where we went wrong. I do acknowledge, as I do now, that as a nation that has been developing, we've been developing and improving systems while we are, and we are moving to ensure that we have the best elections in the world. Listen to me this way, that in 2013, we had a whole election machinery that was run by the Registrar General's Office. And we gave those powers in the new constitution to ZEC to say, ZEC, can you please take these powers as mandated in the new constitution and bring improvements that will make sure that we deal with those critical issues that have been disputed. One of those key things that have been disputed has been the issue of the voters' roll. We've been having a voters' roll that is not well coordinated. We've been having a voters' roll that takes people that they say